In this video, I'll be sharing with you some independent play tips for your toddler. Hey, it's Morgan, and if you're new here, welcome to the Passable Parent channel. I've been a pediatric nurse for the past 10 years specializing in early childhood development, and I'm also a mom. Before we get started, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn notifications on so you don't miss out on any future videos. And make sure to comment down below if you have any questions. I love to hear from all of you. Thank you so much. I appreciate your support. When your toddler plays on their own, which is referred to as free play or independent play, they develop concentration, problem solving, independence, and autonomy. It's important to remember that this is a skill that is learned and it still requires your attention as a parent for your toddler to learn to play independently. I have 4 easy tips for you so you can support and teach your toddler independent play. My first tip is to stay close. Yes, you want to give your child the opportunity to independently play and explore in a safe environment, but it's more of a hovering, not covering. You want to be present and near your child while they explore and play. Different children have different levels of comfort with separation, which can vary day to day and hour to hour. By remaining close, quiet, and still, this is a great starting point for toddlers who aren't ready to play by themselves. Once your child seems content, you can try to quietly scoot behind them or beside them and out of their direct line of sight. You can gradually move further away, but most children at this stage will want to be able to visually check in with you and know that you are still around. This gives them a sense of security and safety and better helps them to grow the confidence to play and explore on their own, knowing that you as the parent or caregiver are someone that they can count on. My second tip for you is to let your toddler lead. Try to resist the urge to swoop in and show your child the right way to do something. Their play is all about trial and error, and they need to investigate their own way as they figure out a new toy. This helps them learn to trust their own thinking and thought process, which is an important part of learning to play independently. My third tip is to narrate the play for your toddler to keep them going and interested. As long as your child is occupied in safe solo play, try to encourage them to keep going on their own. If they make eye contact with you or show you what they're playing with, describe what they're doing and wait to see if they really need you. For example, if they're building some Legos or putting some blocks together, if you see them struggling, you can say, "Oh, I noticed you trying to stack those blocks together. Tap, tap, tap." And then wait to see if they will do it again on their own. My final and fourth tip is to allow your child to struggle before you step in to help. It is through struggle that a lot of learning and problem-solving skills develop for your toddler. If they're struggling to fit a peg into a hole, for example, try this. Observe them first and then offer them only the smallest amount of help. Point to the hole and say, "Try it again. The peg fits in the hole." If they get more frustrated, help them just a little bit more. This may mean orienting the peg the right way or sliding the very end of it into the hole and inviting your child to tap the rest in. If they start to move on to something else, you can demonstrate how to put the peg into the hole and then let them try again. You can even try it with your hand over theirs so they feel what it's like to be successful. And make sure to offer them a lot of praise and encouragement. I hope this video was helpful and gives you the tools to help your child learn how to independently play and explore, and to help build their confidence and enhance their learning and problem-solving skills. Please like, subscribe, and turn notifications on so you don't miss out on any future videos. And feel free to comment down below any questions you have or topics you'd like to see me cover in future videos. Thank you so much for your time today and your support. I hope to see you in the next video.